Hi everyone, welcome back to our Introduction to Business Central series. Today I'll be showing you how to filter and sort data on tables and pages, and I'll be using the item list to show you how to do this. But you can apply this to lots of other pages too. So if we first click into items, which I've set up on my navigation bar, our items list will open up. The list is currently sorted by item number in ascending order, which is indicated by the little up arrow in the number field header. Now what I'm going to show you is how we can use the different column headers to sort our item list in different ways. So if we click on the description field header, a few options appear. We can select ascending and the item list will now be ordered by the description field in ascending order. If we click back on the description field header and select descending, the list now changes to descending order. So now if I just show you this using the inventory field, we'll be able to order our item list by the amount of stock we have. So if we click on inventory and select ascending, our items with the highest level of inventory appear at the top and the lowest at the bottom. Next I'm going to show you how to filter our item list to a specific value using a field from the list. For example, item 1009 that I have selected here has 200 inventory. I decide that I want to see all items that have exactly 200 inventory. So what we'll do is make sure that this line is selected. We will then find the field that we want to filter to. So I go over to the 200 and then I'll go up to the column header. I'll then click the header, which in this case is inventory, and press filter to this value. This will then filter the inventory column to the value of the selected line. So now our item list will only show items that have 200 inventory. On the inventory header, we have a little filter icon, which indicates that a filter is applied here. If you ever open your item list or other pages and it appears there is data missing, check that there isn't a filter applied anywhere which could be hiding items. Once we're ready to remove this filter, we click the field header again and press clear filter. Next I'm going to show you how to open the filter panel, where you can filter by a whole load of options and even combine filters for advanced searching. In the top right we can click the filter icon and then on the left the filter panel appears. Currently the view is set to all, which means it is showing all items. If we click filter list by, a drop down menu of various options appears. These are all fields that we can filter by. I'm going to select inventory. I'm then going to type greater than 0, so now the list will be filtered to show only items that have an inventory greater than 0. We've also got a filter totals by button on the left. We're going to use this to show only stock in a certain warehouse. For example, our London swivel chair has 282 in stock, but we want to see how many are in a specific location. So if I click filter totals by location and then enter my warehouse JBW, my items list is only going to show stock that is in JBW, and it is also combined with my other filter of inventory greater than 0. Our London swivel chair now shows 91 in stock, as this is how many there are in location JBW. If we change the location to JAW, the items list updates again. The London swivel chair now shows 121 in stock. Finally, I'm going to save these filters so we can use them again in future. All we need to do is click the save icon, give it a name, and now, anytime we open this page and open filters, we'll be able to select this view to filter to inventory greater than 0 and in location JAW. We can click all to go back to the all items, and then we can click on our save view to add our filters again. And that is an introduction to Business Central, sorting and filtering data on pages and tables.